You are looking into a place hidden from the world, a quiet space where life has not yet begun to breathe, but has already started to exist. In a microscopic moment, millions of cells move with a single purpose, racing towards something unseen. One cell succeeds, merging with the egg, and in that instant, a new life is formed. That single cell begins to divide, slowly at first, then faster, multiplying into something more complex. From one to two to many, a cluster begins to form, carrying the blueprint of a human life. This tiny cluster begins a journey, moving through a narrow path toward a place where it can grow. It reaches the womb and gently attaches itself, finding a place to stay. Around it, a protective environment begins to form, shielding it from the outside world. A connection develops, linking this new life to the mother, allowing support and nourishment. The structure is still small, almost invisible, but the foundation has been set. Then, something remarkable begins. The first organ starts to form. A tiny heart develops, and suddenly it begins to beat, steady, rhythmic, alive. At the same time, the brain starts forming, building the control center of the body. Small buds appear, slowly shaping into arms and legs. A face begins to take form, faint outlines becoming more defined. Inside, organs begin developing, each one preparing for a future role. The body starts to grow, expanding within the womb, surrounded by fluid. This fluid allows movement, protecting the body from sudden impact. Nutrients flow constantly, delivered through the connection to the mother. The baby begins to move, small motions at first, almost unnoticeable. Over time, those movements grow stronger, more controlled. Even before birth, the body begins learning. The ears begin to respond, sensing vibrations from the outside world. The eyes form, though they remain closed, waiting for light. The baby begins simple actions, like sucking its thumb, practicing reflexes. The lungs develop quietly, preparing for a breath that has not yet happened. Inside the brain, connections increase rapidly, building pathways for thought and movement. The body reacts to touch, responding to the environment within. Fat begins to form, adding protection and warmth. The space becomes tighter as growth continues. Movement slows slightly as the body fills the womb. The baby shifts position, preparing for what comes next. The connection to the mother remains active, constantly exchanging nutrients. Oxygen flows through this connection, supporting every cell. Waste is removed the same way, keeping the environment stable. The baby begins practicing breathing motions without actually breathing air. The nervous system improves, allowing better coordination. Now the body is nearly complete, continuing to grow stronger each day. The womb remains a safe space, protecting and supporting life. A bond exists, constant and unbroken between mother and child. The baby reacts more clearly now to sound and movement outside. Everything prepares for a transition, a moment that will change everything. The womb begins to contract, slowly at first, then stronger. The baby starts to move downward, guided by pressure. Each movement brings it closer to the outside world. The pressure increases, pushing forward. A final moment approaches, the end of one environment and the start of another. And then everything changes. The baby leaves the womb, entering a completely new world. For the first time, the lungs expand and air fills them. The connection is cut, marking independence. The body begins to adjust to light, sound, and space. A clear difference appears between where life began and where it continues. And in that quiet realization, life was already growing long before the first breath.